Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to sell Cardano on Trust Wallet. So in order to sell the Cardano token, which is ADA on your Trust Wallet, you must have some ADA on your wallet to cover the transaction. So in order to sell, use the search icon to search for the ADA token that you hold, select Cardano, and then once the wallet loads in, you're shown your available balance, and all you need to do to sell is click on the sell icon. So once you selected the sell, you're required to enter an amount of ADA token you're going to be selling. So once you've entered an amount, all you need to do is click on sell. Once you've clicked on sell, you'll be able to send your ADA tokens to a provider who then would convert the ADA tokens into your local currency, which would in this case be the US dollar. So once it's been converted into your local currency, you can then receive your local currency through any of the options such as a wire transfer. You could also receive it on your credit card or inside your centralized exchange. Any options that are shown would be made available to you based on your location. So guys, that's how you can easily do it. Enter the amount of ADA you wish to be sold and you'll receive the equivalent in your local currency. Alright guys, that's how it's done. Comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.